Just make everything butter yellow, including your art can be butter yellow, because who's going to check you? So that's one of the hottest color trends of 2025 is butter yellow, and I've been dreaming about styling it in my clothes. I've actually tried to search for butter yellow pieces all over the interweb, and I realized I only have a butter yellow bag, which is a Kate Spade bag, which I love and enjoy. One of my favorite newest designer bag I got maybe last year. But anyway, this is the year where we're all about our butter yellow color, and I want to talk to you guys on how to wear butter yellow in a refreshing way to elevate your look this summer. So let's get into it. My name is Magdalene. On this channel, I talk about fashion, travel, and lifestyle. And I do believe if you look good, you feel your best. So let's get into how to style butter yellow. What's this about this butter yellow? Anyway, initially when I saw this word butter yellow, I was wondering why do we always name colors in the way we want. This particular one actually look like butter. You know, if you eat food, but that's how this color look like. It's a very nice, very sweet pastel color, which I really love and enjoy, and I've been seeing the girls style it in different ways. So let's get into how. So the best way to wear butter yellow for me is to wear it with contrast. So when you're styling your butter yellow, you should go for contrast, and the best contrast you can pair with butter yellow is black. Black goes so well with butter yellow. It seems as if there is a match made from heaven. I love the way those two look good together when they are paired together. And if you are such that is anti-black like I am, so you just go for black accessories, black shoes, black boots, black bag, black belts, just to add an extra contrast to your butter yellow outfit. So you can go for your butter yellow dresses with a black belt over it. Like butter yellow looks so good with black, that's whether you're wearing it as a top or a bottom, they look so good together. So, and that's one of the best ways to actually wear butter yellow, because in a way you're balancing it out, you're giving the fun contrast that comes with it. Everybody was going crazy about burgundy color, like for the fall, winter, and some of us are not really in all those areas where the season changes that much. We still wanted to be part of the trend of wearing burgundy towards the Christmas period. So yeah, burgundy was just crazy, and everybody was all over it last year. But really, burgundy and butter yellow are very good together. It is also in tune with this pairing contrast together. Like I love how both of them look so good together. It is very nice. This is a nice contrast, and I actually watched a video where a lady was talking about contrast making your outfit look better. And really, trust me, if you've tried this contrasting, you understand why butter yellow and burgundy works together. So you can do it in a way that is playful. You can mix it as your accessories, so it can be burgundy accessories, or you can wear a burgundy outfit and add your butter yellow bag, your butter yellow shoe to it. And that's one elevated way to actually pull off butter yellow without thinking too much. Like you don't need any brain cells to actually pull it up contrast, because these are things that when they're together, they're like contrasting each other, or will I say they back each other, but still they look good together, like cohesive together. So yeah, these are highly recommended. If you're such that loves to do monochrome, this is really good for you, because when it comes to selling butter yellow, you can do head to toe butter yellow. For me, I would love to do this, because when it comes to me, when I'm doing monochrome, I don't like wearing like the same shade of the same thing. For my monochrome looks, I like it to be different shades of the same color. So for example, since we're talking about butter yellow, I'll be wearing different shades of butter yellow. The butter yellow, then the breast yellow will mix with it, so just make it look like different shades of yellow all sitting together with butter yellow mixed in it. Or you can wear the same shade of yellow all to your look, and you will love how it turns out. I really love butter yellow, and something you can wear it to, and it's very simple, like very easy way to pull off stylish look without. That's one thing I love. So when it comes to this kind of look, you can go for shopping for sets. Sets makes it easy for you to style head to toe butter yellow. So if it's a two-piece set, if it's a vest and a trouser set, if it is like a top and a skirt over it, and as far as it's a set, that's a very easy way to just put off monochrome. Then you can just add the butter yellow shoe, butter yellow bag. Like just make everything butter yellow, including your art can be butter yellow, because who's going to check you? So that's very easy way to actually look put together by just wearing the same tone. Way to actually style butter yellow in a very fun way, which is something that is right up my alley, is actually to style it as a neutral. So I talked about how I see leopard print as a neutral, and that's how I actually see leopard print. Leopard print to me, I see it like black or white or gray. So I can just mix it with any color in my clothes. So I will set a picture for you to see how this lady was able to pair butter yellow and orange together. She's wearing this butter yellow as a neutral, and the background color is the orange, and that's one very easy thing to put off. And moreover, if you're a fashion girl that love color blocking, you should know that orange and yellow they are very very good together. Though it seems like they are opposites that contrast, but they always look very good together. So yes, you can wear butter yellow as a neutral for your look, so you can wear it as you see your blacks and your whites and your beiges and your brown, and you add any other vibrant color to it. It can be blue, it could be red. I just wear this butter yellow as a neutral. It looks so good together. It makes it very very easy. Actually read an article where they say yellow is like chameleon. It actually switches around, so that makes it very easy to wear it as a neutral, and that's something that's it's so right in my alley. And I love to experiment my fashion when it comes to mixing and matching pieces. So yeah, this is something that I will always do. If you catch me, you always see me trying to make some pieces look like neutral and also add others. But not the least way of wearing butter yellow is to pair it with animal prints. So I've talked about leopard print when it comes to my, that's my favorite no brain now animal print for me. But pairing butter yellow and animal print is a very fun way to wear it, and I realized that it seems as if animal print is going to be trending this year, and not just any type of animal print, especially this snake print seems to be everywhere lately. Most of the latest release of designer bags have been coming with a lot of snake print pieces, and for me, I used to be iffy about snake print, but these days it's as if this all over my face. I'm seeing it everywhere, and I think I'm beginning to fall in love with snake prints all over again. So yeah, snake prints and butter yellow will look good, so good together. And I know that very easy way to pull it off is to just make this animal print your accessories. But if you want more experimental and more bold with your fashion, you can wear this snake print and your butter yellow top or butter yellow jacket. Just ensure that that's animal print, it is your neutral. And when I said in the first clip that wearing butter yellow can be worn as a neutral, you can also wear this also animal print as neutral. So you see that if you are pairing two neutrals together that look too good together, like you're wearing an all black outfit, that's how this thing look to me in my head. So that's one very very simple and fun way to be a maximalist and also look stylish when you're styling. So guys, which of these ways of styling butter yellow is your favorite? Which of them do you love? For me, I love all the fun ways to wear of wearing butter yellow, especially wearing it as a neutral and styling it with animal print. But just let me know in the comment section which of them is your favorite. I'll also be linking some pieces for butter yellow that I saw in my LTK store. So if you have not followed me on LTK, definitely follow me on the LTK store. And also, if you've not subscribed to the channel, you've been watching me, I'm watching you with my lenses, subscribe, because I really need to join my growing family until that time. Bye guys.